Hi friends, so today I am going to show you how to resolve issue SSH network connection refuse. So this error mostly we are getting when we are trying to connect our server through the remotely. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how to troubleshoot with this error. So how we will fix this error. Okay, so like this error mostly when we are getting like when we are trying to connect our server through remotely through putty. Suppose we have a server we build a server on vCenter VMware, and then we trying to connect that server through the putty from our local system, like our local laptop or desktop. So that time we are getting this error. So why we are getting this error and how we will solve this error, I'm going to show you that one. Okay, so let me go to the first my vCenter where I build the server. Okay, so you can see this is my vCenter and I build one server here. That name is Spacework. So let me open this console, this server open in console. Okay, I open this server console. Let me log into this server now. Okay, you can see I have logged in successfully on this server. Okay, now let me check what is the IP for this VM. Okay, so when I run the IP-a command, so I'm getting the IP. That IP number is 192.168.223.135. So you can see this IP is assigned for this VM. Now let me try to connect this IP through my putty. I have installed putty in my laptop in my system. Now I'm trying to connect this IP through the putty. So I'm giving 192.168.223.135, and here you can see it's a port 22 and SSH connection type SSH already selected. It means all perfect. So now let me try to connect this server. Okay, when I click open, now you can see I'm getting an error. That error is showing network error connection refused. Okay, fine. So now how we will fix this issue? Let me go to this console again. In this console, what you have to do, you have to check first that SSHD package is installed or not in this server. How you will check that package? So you have to check the RPM command, RPM-QA. I'm going to fire some query, RPM-QA pipe grep-I, and then package name, SSHD package name. So what is the package name? That package name is open SSH-server. Open SSH-server. Fine. So you can see I'm able to fetch the package. It means that this package is installed. SSHD package is installed on this server. Fine. So now what we have to do? I have to check SSHD service is running or not in this server. So before I'm going to check the service, what I have to do, I have to check this VM is which version. So how we will check? We will fire the command cat/etc and then release. So you can see it is showing CentOS 7. One thing more. Sorry. Okay, so you can also understand through this command uname-r. When you run the uname-r, it means kernel version is starting with the 3. Then you have to understand this is a 7 because 6 kernel version is starting with the 2. Okay, that's why I want to show you. Fine. So this is a 7. Okay, so this is a 7. So in a 7 which command we are using to check the any service running or not? We are using systemctl command. Okay, if you have a 6, like any 6 version, then you have to use service command. So this is a 7, so I'm going to use systemctl, then status, and then sshd package name, service package name. So when I run this command, you can see it's showing active status is a inactive. It means dead. It's a not, this sshd service is a not running. So what we have to do, we have to restart this service. I'm going to restart this service. So let me change to here start. Okay, fine. Now let me check the status. So now you can see it's showing active and running. Fine. Now let me try to this server, try to connect through the putty. I'm able to connect or not. Let me check. 192.168.223.135. Fine. Let me change the size for so you can see I'm now able to get login prompt here. I am able to get login prompt. It means now SSH is working fine. Before what before the like service was not running, when I'm trying to connect this server to the putty remotely, it was getting error network error, connection refused. Now that error issue is solved. Okay, so once when you getting network error, you have to check that package is it first installed or not, and then network like connection refuse error when you are getting, then you have to check package is installed or not, and then you have to check the service is running or not. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel, comment, share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.